Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Figma how to export as PNG. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right into the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to export a PNG in Figma, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in figma.com. Now once the workstation loads on your screen, what you need to do in order to export as PNG is to select the layers option from frame to the rectangle, or select which one you like. Once that's done, on the right hand side of the toolbar, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the option that says export right here. Then once you're inside export, you'll find the option that says PNG or JPEG, which is set default in the Figma. You can do it for the PNG, SVG, JPEG, and PNG. Then I have already selected the PNG. Now once you have selected the PNG, simply click on export to layers or export, and the selected document will be exported as PNG on your laptop or PC. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like it, if you did, comment down any questions that you have. See you soon on the next one.